Hi and welcome. Thanks for stopping by Whimsy Stamps. I'm Lisa and I'm here to show you a quick peek at the March 10th release, which is available in the Whimsy Stamps online shop. Now stay tuned because I'm going to share a sneak peek of the brand new Flower Puffs Slimline paper pack. We're going to get started with the Oh Dear 4x6 clear stamp set. It features 3 bucks and 1 doe with 5 sentiments such as "Oh dear, another year," and "You're so dear to me." As the images already have wonderful shading, coloring them is not a challenge. You can use this stamp set to create cards for friends, family, and colleagues who love the outdoors, or you can use it for scrapbooking, camping, or hunting trips by combining it with stamp sets such as Whimsy Stamps Seasonal Trees, Forest Stream Rubber Cling Stamp, or the brand new Wildflower Grass Clear Stamp Set. This is another amazing 4x6 clear stamp set from Whimsy. It's going to be a staple in my stamp stash, I know. Now, it features silhouettes of wildflowers and grass. We have 2 butterflies and 2 dragonflies. I love that they added dragonflies to this because I love dragonflies. Now, that's going to give us a total of 14 stamps in this set. Now, spring and summer are on us. We can use these to create some gorgeous cards by stamping the images in black ink and doing some ink blended backgrounds. Use colored inks to create layers and dimension or add texture with heat embossing. You can use these to create fun, colorful scenes for the latest Whimsy Easter sets like the new Spring Chicks 4x6 clear stamp set. This adorable stamp set has a total of 13 images, and these have to be the cutest spring chicks. Now that little chick with his bunny ears is all set for Easter. They all are dressed in their Sunday best with bow ties, and one is even sporting a little vest. It's so cute. So we have 4 spring chick images and 9 more images that are going to be perfect for creating scenes or randomly stamping backgrounds to show off a big happy Easter sentiment. And speaking of Easter, check out the Hoppy Floppy Bunnies. Here's another stamp set to get us in the mood for Easter. 3 bunnies with large floppy ears grace this 4x6 clear stamp set, and the one sleeping on the polka dot egg might just be the cutest thing ever. As well as the 3 bunnies, we have 5 smaller images that can help you create a happy Easter scene on your cards or scrapbooking projects. This would be really cute on ATC cards as well. We also have 1 large excellent sentiment in this set. That's bringing us to the new Woodland Critters stamp set with a total of 8 images and 4 sentiments such as "So sweet," "I believe in you," "For my soft-hearted friend," and "You're the sweetest." Not only is this stamp set going to be perfect for spring and summer projects, but just think how precious these images will be for welcoming baby or for those handmade baby shower invitations. I love that sweet bird in the nest. He is just the sweetest thing. Our final stamp set in this release is the Oh So Pretty 4x6 clear stamp set, and it has coordinating outline dies. Now, the 9-piece die set is sold separately and includes dies for the images of the yew, fence, and floral elements. Now, you may recognize some of the sentiments in this set, and I think the whole set is quite amusing with that overconfident yew. Now, this set is going to be so much fun with the new Grass Frames die set. This is an 11-piece die set. We have 2 frames. The largest fits an A2 size card, 4¼ inches wide by 5½ inches high. Now the smaller is 2½ inches wide by 3½ inches high, perfect for artist trading cards. Plus we have 6 flowers and 3 leaves included. Now with this die set, you can create shaker cards, frame your Easter and spring cards, as well as create the perfect border for your Happy Father's Day barbecue cards. And speaking of summer barbecues, don't forget to check out the new It's Cloudy stencil. This 6x9 stencil is ideal for creating clusters of clouds on your projects or for creating the popular layered cloud backgrounds for spring and summer. By merely turning the stencil, each layer will be different from the last. I want to share a few samples featuring some of the new products from this release before you move on. We hope you'll join the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group where you can showcase your creative projects featuring Whimsy Stamps products. Here's a quick peek at the Flower Puffs Slimline paper pack. Now, if you want to see more of this stunning paper pack, click that flip through video link directly below. Don't forget you can find more inspiration from the Whimsy Stamps design team on Instagram and Pinterest. We hope to see you there soon. Until next time, please take care.